Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my racing simulator setup before I begin building it. I've been piecing all this stuff together for about 3 or 4 months, and it's finally ready to go. I only have 2 more packages I'm waiting on, but I have an OMP WRC racing seat. Funny story, this is an $800 seat. I got it for free on Amazon. They refunded me the money and I got to keep the seat. If you want to know how I did that, watch this video to the very end and I'll explain the process I went through. 100% legal. It's not a scam or anything. It's actually Amazon's policy and I was unaware of it, but I followed it, got a refund, got a killer seat for free. But on to the tour. I got a button box here. I got a 4-inch dashboard with flag lights and rev lights. I got a custom-made hydraulic eBrake. I bought some Philips Hue lights I'm going to be doing kind of this like ambient lighting that syncs with the game for shadows and sunlight and thing. I've been seeing YouTube videos, so I ordered a bunch of lights for that. I got a Samsung CRG 9 49-inch curved monitor. Bunch of Fanatec stuff. Fanatec Clubsport steering wheel, Fanatec Clubsport V3 pedals inverted. Got a Buttkicker here. I also ordered 4 transducers, AuraShakers they're called. I got a Fanatec Clubsport shifter, Fanatec DD2 direct drive wheelbase. The frame is going to be a Trak Racer TR160. And then I just have some miscellaneous odds and ends here. LED strips for underneath. I don't even know what's in half these boxes. I'll open up a few of them to just make sure they weren't damaged in transit. I also have a Next Level Racing V3 motion platform that's almost here, so it's going to be a pretty cool setup. The one other thing I have buried in there is a 480 CFM wind simulator that's going to have 2 4-inch tubes that blow wind on you, and this is going to be my 3rd simulator, but this is by far the most advanced one that I've ever built. Cost me about $11,000 total with all the parts. Again, I'm waiting on the DD2 wheelbase to arrive tomorrow, and then the V3 motion platform to arrive next week. And then I'll be ready to go. Anyway, so how I got the seat was, if you're a Prime member with Amazon and you order an item that has a guaranteed delivery date, and that date comes and goes and you don't get your item delivered, if it doesn't get delivered within 24 hours of your guaranteed delivery date, you can reach out to Amazon via chat, request a refund before it's delivered. They'll refund you the money, and then, in the next day or two, whenever it gets delivered, you get to keep it. Now, the only way this works is if, of course, the carrier, UPS, FedEx, USPS, if there's a delay. So it's not really something that you can do yourselves, but a lot of the times these carriers are delayed. And again, I'm not trying to be cheap or cheat the system. This is Amazon's policy, and I ordered the seat, got it for free, and this was one of the most expensive items. Well, a lot of the components are expensive, but this is, an $800 seat. But I actually made a separate video on my channel on exactly the process of what I went through, showing you the transcripts of how I talked to Amazon and the dates and how it all works. So if you want to see that video on how I got the seat for free, check out my channel and stuff like that. So please stay tuned. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I will be building this here in the coming weeks, and we'll be doing follow-up videos on what I think of all the components, and I'll also put a list below of all the components, where I got them, and how I like them, and all that stuff. So please stay tuned. Exciting stuff is about to happen.